Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This Ledger Wallet review reflects my personal experience using the device. Here's a look at what makes the Ledger Wallet a popular choice for crypto enthusiasts. Ledger has built a strong reputation for its robust security measures, offering hardware wallets like the Ledger Nano S and Nano X. These devices prioritize the secure storage of your valuable cryptocurrencies. A key feature is cold storage, meaning your private keys are kept offline, shielding them from potential online threats and vulnerabilities. Ledger wallets utilize a secure element chip, an additional layer of protection that makes it extremely difficult for hackers to compromise your funds. Managing your crypto assets is made easy with the user-friendly Ledger Live app. This platform allows you to oversee a variety of cryptocurrencies, monitor balances, send and receive crypto, and even stake supported assets, all within a single, convenient interface. With support for over 5,500 coins and tokens, Ledger offers a versatile solution suitable for both newcomers entering the crypto space and seasoned traders. The app itself boasts a clean, intuitive design compatible with both desktop and mobile devices, offering flexibility and accessibility. Setting up the Ledger Wallet was straightforward in my experience. The process includes clear, step-by-step instructions guiding you through the crucial backup and recovery phrase creation. Ledger rightly emphasizes the importance of this step, providing detailed guidance, as your recovery phrase is essential for regaining access to your funds should your device be lost, damaged, or stolen. The hardware itself is sleek and portable, featuring a small screen and buttons for easy navigation. The Nano X offers Bluetooth connectivity for those seeking greater flexibility when managing their crypto on the go. Expanding its functionality, Ledger integrates with various third-party apps, providing more options for portfolio management and even direct trading of assets through the wallet. So, who is this wallet designed for? The Ledger Wallet is an excellent choice for individuals who prioritize security above all else and prefer the peace of mind that comes with keeping their private keys offline. It's particularly well-suited for long-term holders and those who manage a diverse portfolio of cryptocurrencies. In my experience, the Ledger Wallet strikes a solid balance between robust security and user-friendly functionality, making it a reliable and dependable option in the ever-evolving landscape of hardware wallets.